Hey scholars, welcome back to Math Savvy. Today we are going to be talking about absolute value functions. Yay! These are important. I guess they're kind of confusing and whatever, but we're going to tackle them today. Okay? My Apple Pencil's freaking breaking. Boo! I'm calling you up tomorrow, Apple. So let's get started. An absolute value function is what we call a piecewise function. That means that there's pieces of the function, there's parts of a function. So what even is absolute value? What does that even mean, first of all? What these bars represent is anything that's inside the bar is going to be turned positive. We want the absolute value of whatever that value is, right? So that means that if it's already positive, it's just going to be itself. X is greater than 0. And if it is not, if it is negative, it's going to be the positive of that. If X or whatever's inside the bar is negative, then whatever's inside the bars are going to be positive. Or we're going to have to damn it. So if whatever's inside the bar is negative, then we're going to have to turn that value positive. The way we would represent that is negative x if x is less than 0. So if it's less than 0, you take that negative. So it'd be negative, and a negative is a positive. My Apple Pencil keeps breaking. So for x greater than 0, which is this section, we just graph the value x, or the function x, and it looks like that. It's as simple as that. And then for x less than 0, for this part, we graph the function negative x. Boom. Easy, right? Let's take it one step further. Y equals 3x. What is the piecewise function? Y is going to be 3x if x is greater than 0. Y is going to be negative 3x if x is less than 0. Okay, 3x is going to be up 3 over 1, etc. So it's going to be very steep. Okay, so that's what the graph question is going to look like. Let's take it one step further. So whatever's inside the parentheses, we have to find when it equals to 0, so we know when that cutoff point is for each piece, right? So I'm going to do that really quickly. We're solving this equation. 2x equals 5, x equals 5 halves. Okay? Y equals the positive of whatever's in that parentheses, which is 2x minus 5 if x is greater than 5 halves, or x is the negative of whatever is inside the bars. Negative 2x negative negative 5 is going to be plus 5 if x is less than 5 halves. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to graph both functions with different colors. Both functions meaning both pieces. Okay, so in green I'm going to do 2x minus 5, which is about looking like that. Okay, in blue I'm going to do minus 2x plus 5, which is going to look like that. When x is less than 5 halves, it's going to be this blue line. When x is greater than 5 halves, it's going to be that green line. So we now know the function is going to be this, that pink line. Like that. Okay? Yay! Next, we already know what the graph of the absolute value of 2x looks like. We just have to shift it down 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph the absolute value of 2x, which is going to look like this. Okay. And then we're shifting it down 3 because it has that -3 there, right? So down 3, it's going to look like this. Of course, the pink one is always going to be the right answer. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Leave a comment on video requests you have math related, of course. And we'll do it for you. Also, check out our tutoring on our website. Yay. Bye, scholars. Oh.